Hello everyone, Shane Jenkins here, HPS Senior Technical Coordinator. We're going to talk to you a little bit about the Schönox AP Rapid Plus system. This is one of our hybrid dry technology based on active dry technology. We'll be going through the Schönox 3D Renotex system. As you can see on the screen, the gentlemen are installing a Schönox sound and insulation sheet. When using the sound and insulation sheeting, we can get a Delta IIC rating of 25, great for your sound impact class. This also gives us the ability to have a fully UL rated system when using the sound insulation sheeting. The gentleman now will be applying a barrier tape called RS50. RS50 is great that it allows for a little bit of expansion of the material. It also keeps this system fully decoupled. We want to make sure that we're using this around our walls and our columns because this is a self-supporting decoupled system using this installation. The RS50 also comes with an attached scrim. That scrim will allow us to pour this material and kind of eliminate some of the leaks that we may have around our perimeters and against our columns and against our walls as well. After the installation of the Schönox RS50, our Schönox Renotex 3D is applied. Renotex 3D is a multi-dimensional reinforcement fabric used in conjunction with the sound and insulation sheeting and the RS50 and Schönox AP Rapid Plus gives us the full system. Using 3D Renotex is a uncoupled system, so we're not actually bonding to our original substrate. This is used in many applications where we need that decoupling of a system. It is fully self-supporting like we mentioned. Will give you excellent results when used with Schönox AP Rapid Plus. AP Rapid Plus is the only self-leveler in the Schönox lineup used with the Schönox 3D Renotex. This is a hybrid system. Like we kind of mentioned earlier, this is based on active dry technology. So what exactly is hybrid active dry technology? It is the next generation of self-leveling compounds and smoothing and patching material. We're combining the benefits of both worlds. We're getting the fast drying of cement with the non-shrinkage of synthetic systems. AP Rapid and AP Rapid Plus and HS Sturdy will give us that great ability to put in products with speed and without having to worry about demolition. So independent of our climate conditions, independent of our temperature or humidity, this material will cure and get hard. This great system will be installed about 1/2 inch to 5/8. It will be ready for foot traffic in around 2 to 3 hours. Ready for installation the next morning. So we can go in very quickly, very efficiently, and give you a brand new substrate for that. We're using a color mix system here to mix our material. All of these self-levelers should be mixed for around 3 minutes to a nice, even, smooth consistency. After a mixing time of 3 minutes, the material is applied. Typically, we will do this installation using the pump method. If you need more information on the pumping ability for Schönox, we can help you with that as well. Once the material is applied, it's smoothed with a smoother. We're going again around 1/2 inch to 5/8 for the installation, covering the 3D Renotex mat, allowing it to be a smooth substrate. And again, 2 to 3 hours later, you're ready for foot traffic, overnight ready for your installation. Clean, sound, smooth, fully supported, great compressive strength, 6,300 compressive strength on AP Rapid Plus 3D Renotex system, superior to some of the alternatives for use over a decoupled system. Please check out our website and look at our technical data sheets on all the materials listed above.